Today, we're looking at the standout Chinese companies in the quadruped robot world, Unitree Robotics and Deep Robotics. While both focus on four-legged robots, their approaches and target markets are quite different. Unitree Robotics focuses on affordable, flexible robots for research and education. With models around $1,500 USD, Unitree offers high-value robots that handle diverse terrains well. Their B2 model even carried loads up steep paths on Mount Tai, showing impressive stability. Unitree is also exploring everyday use, including as robotic pets. Deep Robotics takes an industrial approach, building durable robots for electric power inspections and construction site patrols. Their rugged Jueying X20 model works in rain, dust, and challenging environments, offering obstacle avoidance and terrain recognition for professional-grade applications. So, Unitree Robotics brings affordable, flexible robots for research and general interest, while Deep Robotics specializes in heavy-duty, industrial robots for professional inspections. Both are redefining what four-legged robots can do, each in their own way. Thanks for watching. Sunrise Metal is a trusted supplier of precision parts for the robotics industry. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us.